Hello, welcome to Life and Pig Grow, and I've escaped to the stairs where it's a bit quieter, and today we're going to show you how to sow sweet peas, specifically how to soak them beforehand. So this year I'm growing a number of sweet peas. I'm growing top to bottom from Thompson & Morgan, I'm growing Cappy from Chiltern, and I'm growing Spencer Blue Velvet from DT Brown, and Hyacinth from DT Brown as well. And I'm not going to mess around. I'm going to get one of these with jam jar, and I'm not going to kind of be dead posh and decide I'm going to label each one of them, because this is for the cutting garden. So I want them to be all mixed together, and I don't care if they're mixed together. So all I'm doing is opening up the seed packet like so, taking the seed and going into the water with them, and they're going to soak there for 24 hours. And the reason for that is, people argue for and against this, is that we find they germinate better. Now some people say they don't, but we think they do. So, you know, either way, if you want to just plant them straight into a pot, that's fine. We're just going ahead and soaking them, and it's really good actually for seed that may be a little bit older, because if it floats, it tends to tell you they won't germinate. And there's something deeply satisfying, still do this packet, of taking your seed and going and putting it, see that, I know they're all the seed, see that, boo, they ping to the top. Let's have a look at this one, see what happens with this one, because this is definitely all the seed. Oh, there you go. So now I know which seed will be okay. So all I'm going to do now is put a lid on this. Just do that a little bit, just because it's deeply satisfying. But also it tells me how many pots I might need. And yeah, I'm going to grow a lot of sweet peas this year. So in 24 hours time, in a different setting, I'm going to show you how to sow them. 24 hours later, and you can start to see the seed has plumped up. You see that one floating? That one floating will never germinate. It is a dead seed. And that's another way and another reason for soaking your seed, to find out which seed is still viable. Viable seed means seed that will grow. So seed that will grow sinks, seed that won't grow floats. So I've chucked away that seed that was floating on the top, and now I'm going to just put it through a sieve. Don't put it through a colander, because you'll lose all of them through the holes still. It's just a matter of pouring them all out, like so. And there's my seed, sowing. So we're going to sow these now. So I've counted the seeds out into groups of 3, because that's how I'm going to plant them. I'm going to plant them into cell trays. You can plant them in the pots. I prefer carrying them in cell trays because it's easy to move them around. I'll need 5 of these and 2 more pots, just to kind of use up all my seed. And I'm using up all my seed this year. I want a big display of sweet peas in the floral garden. And all we do is we use a dibber, or in this case a pen, and we make 3 holes, and into each goes a seed. And the hole is roughly 2.5 times the depth of the seed. And then it goes. And again, this is why I like trays as well, because it's just so easy just to do it all at once. And yes, I have mixed my seed together because I don't mind it being a bit of a raucous display. And I'm doing all this in real time, so you know how long it takes to do a tray. I know now the other growers speed this section up, but you know what, I like to show you how it's done. There we go. 1, 2, fruit. That's it. Then all we do is label it. I always go that way across, because if you go that way across, you inevitably run out of space. So, takeaway, 24 hours, leave them soak. Don't forget, put an alarm on your phone to remind you, or put a sticker up on your door as you're going out to remind you, and then plant them and away you go. And that way you save time, because seed that won't germinate will float to the top, and that way you won't waste time sowing them and wasting resources. So until next time, it's goodbye from me at Life on Pig Row, and I'll hope to see you next Saturday. Until then, bye bye.